students, welcome back to Meridian Overseas. Do you want to move to Canada? Well, there's an interesting update coming from Ontario, Canada. Ontario is one of the best places in Canada to study as it has approx 6 best universities of Canada. The update is that Ontario has extended 1600 plus invitations for international graduates for master's graduate stream as well as PhD graduate stream. For master's graduate stream, 1500 plus invitations are accepted. For master's graduate stream, you need at least 54 score or more in your bachelor's degree. For more queries on study in Canada or regarding these new invitations, you can contact our nearest branch or you can contact us at application02@meridian.org. For more such updates, subscribe to our channel, like our videos and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.